So this year, during the ASCO meeting in Chicago, I will present the results of the French program named AcSé Crizotinib. This program was designed in 2011 for the National Cancer Institute and was aiming at evaluating in patients with relapsed malignancies whether a drug, a targeted agent named crizotinib, would be of benefit for these patients. And the point was that when we started, this drug was only approved for adult patients having a non-small cell lung cancer with a biomarker of the drug named ALK. But when we started, we knew that not only patients with lung cancer, but other patients with breast cancer, with bowel cancer, and even children may have the targets of the drug in their tumor. And we wanted very much to define whether or not this patient could benefit from the drug. So over the last 4 years, more than 13,000 patients in France have seen their tumors tested for the presence of the target of the drug. And when the target was present, we proposed a treatment. And 246 patients, the youngest one was age 1, the oldest one was age 92, were treated with crizotinib because their disease expressed the target of the drug. And we showed that patients with non-small cell lung cancer with other targets than the one initially known to be sensitive to crizotinib, children and adolescents with lymphomas, children and adolescents with sarcoma of their muscles, and other patients such as those with esophageal cancers could benefit and showed response to the drug. So this program is very important because the aim is really to provide an equal access in France and the overseas territories to the testing of the drug and to the drug if the patient could benefit from the treatment. And this trial was open in more than 195 centers, really demonstrating that yes, it is possible at the national level to provide an equal access to innovation for patients deserving access to innovation. With the results of the trial, we have proposed that the drug is approved for other indications than the one initially. And this is ongoing, and the drug will be available for patients with lung cancer having all the other targets of the drug, and we hope for children and adolescents with lymphoma. There are other AcSé programs ongoing with other drugs such as vemurafenib, but also we have an ongoing program named eSmart to really provide access for children to a large cohort of different treatments. So this program, led by the National Cancer Institute and implemented by Unicancer, really aim at evaluating innovation for patients with relapse using drugs that are not intended for them at the beginning.